He's Justin, I'm Brandon. We are the Bohn Legacy, and this is the 100-pin bowling challenge. We've got 100 pins set up at the other end, and this shot right here is gonna be for the win. But first, let's see how we got here. So the rules for today, we are going to throw 10 total shots, adding 10 pins every single round. The total amount of pins that we knock down at the end of the 10 shots is going to win, and every time you get a strike, it's 10 bonus pins onto your total.
That I am the tournament official. I get to make all the final calls. Watch out.
And something like that. All right.
Watch out.
Got my ceremonial first ball, 6-pounder, broken 6-pounder from Howell Lanes. Rev Rates VIP Entertainment, but it's broken, so we're gonna throw out the first pitch.
Just a bit outside.
All right, try to hit some pins
Got
this
one
time.
of my favorite all-time balls, DVA Collision. It's no longer in use. It's got my old grip, and it's probably got 2,000 games on it because, you know, it's just like that. All right. Boom!
Okay, you got 10 pins plus the 10 bonus pins.
That's 20.
So Brandon has 20 pins the first round. Brandon's score after round 1 is 20 pins because he got the 10 bonus pins for knocking all 10 pins down. Let's see what Justin can do.
So I've got a DV8 Verge Hybrid here. It also no longer fits me and also has my old grip, even though it really doesn't matter because I don't use the thumb. But it's old, it's got a lot of games on it, and let's see what we can do. No! I missed the damn head pin.
That's not looking too good for Justin.
No.
Score is 20-8.
Nope, I am down 12.
No, not very good.
I'll make some up when, you know, there's more pins added and I have an opportunity to beat him.
Justin, this was the only time and probably the easiest one to get your bonus pins.
That's
so.
okay. Shot number 2, up by 12.
Ooh, ooh.
All right.
Imagine if you threw a messenger.
I'll take it. I'll take it. That's all right. You know, I blame it on the rack, but that's okay. You know, personal ball return. Oh my goodness. Good luck here. You're already losing, and I got 9. Thanks. So. Dang it! It didn't matter anyway. So. All right, we're at 17. That wasn't a bad shot though, Justin.
17-39.
No, I got 17 that shot.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm at 25, and he's at 39. You know what, I'll help you guys. We're at 30 now. You know what they say, the grades just get better over time.
Who says that?
I do.
Who says that?
All right,
Brandon Bohn.
Shot 3.
You are getting smoked right now.
Wow, I am. It's okay.
Absolutely just demolished.
I'll set up my own rack so I can make it easy.
You just
Locked in.
You set up Brandon's.
I know I did.
So if you don't strike on your shot, that really shows a lot.
Yeah, I agree. You're right.
We are locked in. And 40.
Whoa.
All right, so I'm
Don't hit me.
gonna go 2-finger here because I think I can throw it a little harder and straighter. And I need to hit the head pin this time, so.
That's for sure.
Boom! All right, you're still in
down
it.
a lot.
At least you're still in it. Needed that hit. He's got a chance.
Needed that hit.
Is that your first strike? It is.
It is my first strike. Thank you.
Embarrassing.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you guys put up 40 pins here. That was a good shot from Justin. Highly impressive. You know what they say, let me go first, so I show them how it's done. You know, when I was born, I was just diagnosed with that locked-in syndrome.
What?
And right now, I'm locked in.
kind of feel bad for Justin. This rack is not as good as Brandon's, but I hope he can pull through.
Frame 4, I better strike here. Bang! Whatever, all right.
Give me life.
Nice shot, nice shot.
Give me life. Bang! That's right.
50 pins coming next.
I got it.
Okay.
The head pin is not even close to being centered.
Wow, that's a good rack.
Let's look at the rack. This is
Hey, can we tuck that
nowhere
pin in over there a little?
even. Not even.
Yeah, I won't even be able to. Oh, okay. I mean,
All right, Brandon.
what are we working on here?
Layman, take a seat in your lawn chair.
My ball will take out that pin over there to the left.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't know. I might want to
What's
move.
the score? Score check? Is it 79 to 65?
Nope.
Was
We just-
before last frame.
Oh.
Yeah, so you're still down 14. All right, I'm going. Boom!
How does this man continue to pull through? I have
Let's
no
go.
idea.
You can't stop me.
Yo, talk in
We
the
tried to give him
mic.
a disadvantage and nothing worked.
Well, when you can throw it 25 miles an hour at the pins. Down 14 if I strike. Need them all.
All right, well,
Give me life!
still got a chance.
That's right.
60
Still got a chance.
pins coming right at
60
you.
pins coming right at you.
Just give me a minute. Brandon's trying to put surface on his ball.
This clearly wasn't working, so. Yeah, this should get through the heads a little snappier.
By the certification of Sydney Bohn, this ball is out of play. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to find a different ball to use. You cannot alter your surface on the bowling ball. Sanctioned under Sydney Bohn.
It's not an official USBC sanctioned event.
No, because last frame,
Hall of Famer coming in clutch.
Brandon said it was
Let's
under
go.
Bohn sanction.
Oh my God!
Oh lordy.
It's you.
This is gonna be a long day. Ooh.
Got life here. If I strike here, I'm down 2 with 4 shots left. Big pitch, here we go. Oh, come on! Let's go, come on!
I'm setting up my own
That's
right.
right, that's right.
I'm setting up my own right. 8.
You have been.
I'd say this is still anyone's game. And well, he's got quite the rack here. 70 pins on the deck. Oh, that was bad.
Whoa.
Oh, he left 3.
Imagine if he had to try to make that.
I think a strike on the board for 70 and another 10, which would be 80, and that would take the 10-pin lead again. So he's giving me a chance to get back in this. And still, if I leave one, we're still gonna be tied. So we're going for the strike either way.
Isn't the goal to always go for the strike, Justin?
The goal is to always go for the strike.
Justin.
No way, I left 4.
Save ball.
Oh my God.
Well, that would be 6 on a regular lane, but I think we might as well throw it in for one time. 6!
D6.
All right. Time to set back up again.
Man. This is looking like a lot of pins here, Brandon.
All right, Brandon, shot clock starting.
This is looking like
5,
quite a lot of
4, 3.
Okay, all right.
2.
You need to chill out.
1.
Back up a little.
Oh
Shooting at
my
80.
goodness.
Come on.
Oh, left 7.
73.
So 73.
All right, Justin. Before this 80 pin shot here, how you feeling?
You know, I'm feeling okay. Brandon left some pins on the deck there for me, and I feel like I could catch him here because he left 7, and I was only down 3. So I feel pretty good about my chances of taking the lead here.
Well, I need you to feel less good. Good luck. I mean, don't strike.
Thank you. 80 pins, frame 8. Oh! That's a lead change.
No, I think that's a tie game, actually.
That's a lead change.
That's a tie game,
No,
actually.
it's not. You had to lead by 3.
No, I had to lead by 4.
No, you did not.
Hold on. 301 plus 77. 378 to Brandon's 377.
Bang!
Oh!
Come on.
Does Cindy know how to do math?
It's getting intense, folks. Brandon Bohn, frame 9, 90 pins on the deck. Big shot. Is that a foul?
85. I'll take it. No fouls in action.
So now we got 90 up. He left 5, and I have the 1 pin lead. So we better hope that we get, well, all of them always, but at least more than 5, and we'll still have the lead going in the last shot. Here we go. Shooting at 90, frame 9.
Oh, wow.
Okay, here's the story. I just knocked down 85. And well, if you remember, he also just knocked down 85. So now we've got 100 pins to set up, and we're gonna need all hands on deck.
I don't want your help. I don't want your help. I'm doing this one.
Brandon, this is the only rack you've ever touched.
We are at 100 pins, and this shot could potentially be for the win. How do you feel?
I'm feeling pretty good right now. This is the first ever driveway Wii Sports 100 pin bowling challenge, just like Wii Sports. And you know, it's been a great ride, but all great rides come to an end, and this is about to come to an end.
Because he's gonna lose and I'm gonna win. Oh, let's go! Ooga booga!
All right, we got one more shot. Justin needs a strike for the win. What do you think? You think he gets it?
No. I'm just being honest.
You know,
It's 100 pins.
I'm really digging the confidence. Dad's always picked my side, and he's coming through. One more shot for the win.
This is the 100 pin bowling challenge. Oh! It was a tough loss there for me.
Good match.
Yeah,
Better luck next time.
Yeah, that was good. Unfortunately, just didn't have enough power to knock down 100 pins, but he did, and that's why he's the winner, and I'm going to take the L.
You know what they say, Justin? There's always a winner.
And today, Brandon is that winner.
Ain't that right? So I'll keep my crown, my cape, my
Looks like it's gonna fall off.
whatever this is.
So whatever he's got going on here, he's the winner, and I'm the loser. And unfortunately, well, the 100 pins just didn't fall my way today. But it's gonna wrap this one up. Any final thoughts?
I'm the winner, you're the loser.
If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from the Bohn Legacy. I'm Justin, he's Brandon. We'll see you next time. Peace.